Today I'm going to explain the working principle of the LCD related with optics. Assalamualaikum and have a very good day. So this is broken screen phone and this is the LCD. It's not function. So let me show to you guys the working principle of the LCD. You can see this is the case. Then we have backlight. We have polarizing filter at here and also at here, and TFT matrix, color filter, and the glass cover. The glass cover is which we see the display of the screen. So let me tell you one by one. So the case back here is where the light source is at here. So when the light comes in, it will pass the first layer, that is polarizing filter. This polarizing filter I will explain after this. We have the first polarizer and also the second polarizer, and after it comes to polarizing filter here, it will pass through TFT matrix. The TFT matrix function is it provides electric field so that it can change and alter the light to pass through the liquid crystal. The cause of the name liquid crystal because the middle part is made of liquid crystals. So the intensity of light here will determine how much light and how clear the picture is, and then it will pass the color filter. As you can see here, there are only 3 colors. Then the 3 color is the main color, and then it will pass the polarizing filter here, also polarizing filter, the second polarizing filter. And then lastly, we can see the combination of this color will produce this image with the effect of electromagnetic field and also the white light. You think it is a simple LCD, but you can see here there are many layers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 layers. Let's look at this. There will be a polarizer in which we see like a lens. So when the light pass through this, the light will become polarized. The electromagnetic wave, that is light, will become polarized. That means it will become like this, only one direction. And for the second polarizing filter, you can see if we adjust the angle, it will affect the direction of the next. As you can see here, the light intensity will become low. I have told you that I want to explain about the liquid crystal. So this is the properties of liquid crystal. As you can see here, it like liquid and also crystal. So okay, this is the effect. When the liquid crystal have intensity high, it will produce image that high resolution. So mean that the pixel of the image will be much more smaller, so the image will be more clearer. You compare this and this is the low resolution and this is for high resolution.
Moving on from LCD screen, next we look into household item that we already familiarized, fluorescent light. In Malaysia, before many household transitions into LED light bulb, majority are using fluorescent light. From lighting small room of shared house with 350 ringgit rent per room to colorful roadside signage of your favorite tom yum restaurant that you never stop coming every week, fluorescent light had enlightened our community for a long time. But how does it work? There are 4 components to fluorescent light. First, electrode. Second, inert gas, mainly argon, xenon, neon, and krypton. Third, mercury as vapor, and to keep mercury as vapor, the inside tube is kept 0.3% of atmospheric pressure. That is why, after the tube broken, it is recommended to throw away safely. And 4 is a phosphor coating. Inside the tube, electrons travel from one side to another. While the electron traveling, inert gas and mercury vapor inside were excited by electric current. This produces UV light that is invisible to our eyes. This is when the phosphor coating comes in. It absorbs UV light and then emits visible light, usually in white. And a small fact about phosphor, it is so useful in our lives It is used in CRT or cathode ray tube TV back in the 90s and 2000s before the boom of color brought by LED and LCD screens. In the past, only billboards using LED screens until manufacturing techniques improved. Thus came mini LED and micro LED. Next, we move to electrochromic glass, or for our easy understanding, smart glass. These smart glasses have been used for many applications, mainly as privacy glass or recently in automotive sectors. We can see these glasses in new office or cars like Porsche Taycan, a Porsche's product in EV market. To incorporate the multifunction feature as an optical obstacle at the same time as a window to outside world, smart glasses built into multiple layers. It contains glass as outside layer, liquid crystal layer in the middle, and conductive coating in interlayer adhesive to use the liquid crystal electrical property. As I explained in it earlier in the video, liquid crystal or LC have small crystals inside that can be controlled by small current. When there is no current, LC become randomly oriented, making the light movement harder. Because the light scattered, it made the glass become opaque. When there is current, the crystal become aligned in the same direction, making the light passes undisturbed, thus making it clear. This property of smart glasses opens up many possibilities for manufacture and consuming light. And there are so many more to the world of optics that we still need to uncover. But that is all from us. May the knowledge enlighten us to learn more.